Hey everybody, it's MAJ. So this is just a quick tutorial on how we achieved this look. So if you'd like to see how we got this look, stay tuned. It's just a very subtle but glam look. I love it. She loved it. So yeah. Everybody say hi to Maame. Maame has great skin, so it made the work a lot easier. Okay, so firstly, I go in to do the brows to fill in very lightly. I usually do brows first before skin. Maybe I should try new techniques. I should try doing skin first one of these days. So you can use either your brow pencil or your brow gel. So next would be concealer. Usually you would use a shade or two lighter than your skin tone. Okay, so I primed my skin with a mattifying primer. She was asking me a lot of questions like, why do I have to prime? What does it do? So basically, a primer is like a barrier between your skin and the foundation. So at this point my battery died, sorry, so we had to use my phone to record. I mean, it doesn't look so bad. So and I had finished doing her foundation, so you can't even tell there's foundation. I used the Lancome 10 Idol foundation. Her shade was 540. It was the perfect match for her skin. So now I'm concealing under and around the eye. So I take the concealer both under and then on the eyelid because we are not doing any eyeshadow. So I'm setting under the eye now with powder, loose powder. I used Benai Chestnut shade to set the under eye and the eyelid area. Then you set the entire face with powder. First, it could be loose as well, but usually I go over the rest of the face with pressed powder. And then I go over the loose powder, so the eye area, just to blend everything in. So we are contouring now. Actually, most of the time I don't do cream contour. I do powder contour, and it lasts just as much as doing cream and shows the whole time, blends seamlessly. Powder just locks everything in. So why contour? So that it gives an illusion of shadows where you want them. Guys, you see my painting in the back and my bookshelf? But yeah, my painting, let's talk about my painting. Do you like my painting? I did it by myself last weekend. Yay! I went for this wine and art thing. It was super cool. So next we're applying just a little bit of blush to give warmth and dimension to the face. So I'm applying just a little bit of highlighter and right on top of the blush. Yeah, I'm not really a highlight fan, but yeah, just a little, doesn't hurt. We're going to the tricky part, which is eyeliner, which a lot of people find difficult to do, but I think with practice you'll be fine. Usually I will ask you to look down with your eyes open so there are no creases on your lid, and then I can get a straight line. Sometimes it's hard. So usually you would start from the middle, get your wing all the way out. Just take your time so you get a straight line, and then from the middle out, after you've got your wing, you can join it to the corner of your eye. Yeah. If you make a mistake with your liner, you can just clean it with a little concealer. I realized we didn't film the part of doing her lip, so I just lined her lips with a brown liner and then went over with my newest favorite glosses from Makeup Hubby. and lined under her eye with a green liner, I think from Maybelline. It just brought the look together, made it more vibrant, and that's the look. So I think this is a very easy but glam look. You can do this to a wedding, you can do this to work. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.